When it comes to businesses and becoming a millionaire, the name John D. Rockefeller is no surprise a huge name in the industry. John D. Rockefeller was one of the first billionaires and influential people from the past. He became famous for his work in the oil industry. He started a company called Standard Oil in 1870, which became the biggest in the oil business by buying other companies and controlling everything, from getting the oil out of the ground to selling it. In becoming a millionaire, he had ways and techniques he followed to make sure he'd get the right recipe to success. In this video, let's get into the 7 secrets John D. Rockefeller has in his journey to a massive success. But first, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of this luxurious stuff. So if you are interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. As we all work for money, billionaires do it differently. They make money for them. That's what these tips are. To make money, work for us, too. Let's begin with number 7. Building a good team. John D. Rockefeller didn't achieve financial success alone. He knew that his vision required a skilled and committed team to turn it into reality. What made his team-building approach effective can be summarized in 3 key points. First, talent. Rockefeller had a knack for spotting talent. He actively sought out experts in various fields, people with unique skills who added value. He wanted critical thinkers who could challenge his ideas. Next is loyalty. He valued loyalty deeply. It wasn't just a word, it represented a profound commitment to his vision. He created an environment where team members felt emotionally invested in the journey, going beyond just receiving a paycheck. And third is synergy. Rockefeller believed in teamwork. His team wasn't just a group of talented individuals. They worked together harmoniously, each contributing their abilities to create something exceptional. Collaboration, open communication, and a culture of innovation were encouraged. An example of this approach is seen in Standard Oil. This iconic venture wasn't a one-person effort. Henry Flagler, a key associate, played a vital role with his logistics and transportation expertise, streamlining oil distribution. Rockefeller also nurtured talent from within the company, fostering loyalty and dedication that led to Standard Oil's remarkable success. Now, at number 6, the importance of adaptability in changing circumstances. John D. Rockefeller was a master of adaptability, a critical factor in his remarkable achievements. How did he do it? Here's a closer look. Rockefeller's Standard Oil dominated the oil industry, primarily focusing on kerosene, which was crucial for lighting. However, with the rise of electricity, the demand for kerosene declined, and the landscape shifted. Instead of resisting change, Rockefeller saw an opportunity. He recognized that oil byproducts could yield new products. He shifted his empire towards producing petrochemicals, creating lubricants, waxes, and even pharmaceuticals. This move not only preserved his influence, but also made him a pioneer in the petrochemical sector. Rockefeller's adaptability extended to his philanthropic efforts. As medical research gained importance, he adapted by investing in medical education and research, leading to the establishment of the Rockefeller Institute for Medical Research. His ability to adapt offers a profound lesson. The world is always changing, and our success depends on our adaptability. Just as Rockefeller shifted from kerosene to petrochemicals and adjusted his philanthropy to emerging needs, we can use adaptability to drive progress. Imagine if Rockefeller had clung to kerosene while the world shifted to electricity. It's like selling typewriters in the age of touchscreens. He knew adaptability wasn't just a choice, it was the key to staying relevant and thriving in a changing world. The fifth secret is the importance of sacrificing immediate pleasures for long-term financial gain, a mindset that's powerful and liberating. One of Rockefeller's impactful quotes is, "Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great." To understand its significance, let's look back at his early life. Despite coming from a modest background, young Rockefeller was driven to understand the value of money. Imagine him as a young entrepreneur, not buying candy for enjoyment, but reselling it to friends. He turned ordinary stones into decorative treasures for sale, showing his determination to turn the ordinary into something extraordinary. What set him apart was his financial wisdom. Instead of spending his earnings on short-lived pleasures, he saved every penny. The pivotal moment came when he lent his savings to a friend of his father's, charging modest interest. This planted the seed for his money to multiply on its own. He understood that by delaying immediate desires and investing in the future, he was paving the way for lasting success. The lesson here is about being willing to give up immediate gratification for a brighter financial future. While others might spend their earnings on trendy items, Rockefeller focused on something more significant. He knew that by deferring desires and investing wisely, he was setting the stage for lasting success. Think about people who live a lavish lifestyle but face financial instability beneath the surface. They chase immediate pleasures without considering their long-term financial well-being. Similarly, those who take out large loans for flashy purchases might appear successful, but they often end up in debt and financial insecurity. This aligns with Rockefeller's wisdom. Choosing short-term good can hinder achieving long-term great. So remember, as Rockefeller learned early, don't just work for money, make money work for you. Immediate pleasures may be tempting, but the real wealth lies in pursuing greater goals and making wise investments. Number 4. Mastering emotional control, a crucial skill for building wealth. Imagine a world where John D. Rockefeller's wealth was built on kerosene lamps. Then, the disruptive force of electric light emerged. While many might have felt frustration or fear, Rockefeller displayed remarkable emotional control. He was a master tactician who didn't let his emotions cloud his judgment. Instead of giving in to despair when his empire was threatened, he saw an opportunity in the challenge. Challenges to him were chances to pivot, transform, and redefine his path to success. Consider his response to the rise of electric light. He could have bemoaned the loss of kerosene's dominance, but he didn't. He recognized that a world lit by electricity marked the beginning of a new era. So what did he do? He set his sights on the future of transportation, gasoline-powered vehicles. He embraced change and rode the wave to even greater prosperity. What's brilliant about this move is how he controlled his emotions. Instead of letting emotions dictate his decisions, he relied on logic and strategy. He understood that emotions are like gusty winds that can blow you off course if you let them. So he anchored himself to the solid rock of reason, and it paid off tremendously. Moving from kerosene to gasoline wasn't just a business decision, it showcased Rockefeller's ability to control his emotions and see beyond immediate setbacks. It was as if he was saying, "Electric light might have dimmed my kerosene lamps, but watch me fuel the future." The lesson here is mastering emotional control. When life throws you a curveball or your plans unravel, remember Rockefeller. Don't react impulsively, respond strategically. Turn adversity into opportunity, shifting your perspective from loss to gain. As we navigate our financial pursuits, remember that emotional control isn't a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength. Just as Rockefeller transformed a declining kerosene empire into a gasoline-fueled triumph, we can turn challenges into stepping stones to success. Keep your emotions in check and stay focused on the bigger picture. Hey, are you interested in knowing more about the top 3 secrets of John D. Rockefeller to be a millionaire? Catch us up on our next video. We'll give you part 2 of this video, and we will surely tackle more of the tips that can help us become like John D. Rockefeller, with all the hard work and resources, of course. If you enjoyed this video, please click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the luxury world, only here at Luxury Mindset. See you in the next video.